guys, this is me. This is day 8, 9, and 10 of Project 2, and I have made a mistake. I should not have chose OpenGL as the starting point of learning C++, because first of all, I don't know C++, and OpenGL in itself is considered a very hard thing. So I did not do any progress. I did not do anything in day 8 and 9. In day 10, it's this. So it's the first time that I have got setbacks. And another update is that I will be changing how I record videos. So I will record videos. I will still explain whatever I did in that day and what I learned, but not in that form, because that form is genuinely not watchable. I won't watch it myself. So I will like make a separate 1 to 10 minutes video on everything that I did today, and I will then basically explain everything that I think I have learned, and still kind of explain everything such that I can also keep that explanation for myself as a benchmark and that stuff. And of course, okay, I don't think OpenGL is going to work for now. Right now, at least not. It is not a matter of that I am not capable or anything. It's a matter of that it's like a practical decision. It's a very logical practical decision. I still don't know C++, so this is not a very great starting point for right now. Okay, I guess in future, like it's like around 2026, I will have still a lot of time to do all of this. Let's say in the future, if I do come across needing OpenGL to learn OpenGL and all that stuff in college or in future. I'm in class 12 right now, still in high school. So if I approach all of this in college or something like that, I will definitely learn it. But I don't think it's the thing right now, because let's face it, I wasted 10 days and I only have like 20 days left, and I need to start from the bottom up. So doing this is not worth it. I'm not saying this from ego or anything, just pure logic. So um, this was it for the 3 days, and I will change the type of content that I post. I will still keep those videos, but uh, I will not make a video on constant, how to say it. I will not be constantly recording and explaining everything. I will just be explaining everything in a short form video. So if that makes sense, please let me know. And with that said, this is it for day 10, and I will see you guys in day 11 with a bunch of excitement of starting with SFML. I have heard it's a very beginner friendly graphics tool, so let's say we'll do that. And mostly because in implementing Gravity we mostly need these things. In implementing Gravity we mostly need like a plane. First of all, we do need a plane, then a plane, and then okay, I just should not have said a plane. We need 3 dimensions, and we need an object, and we will have the object center with some coordinates with respect to the plane. So this coordinates will represent this, and we will basically just use the distance formula that we even used in the first project and all that stuff to measure out the distances between them, and use F is equals to G M upon R squared, and then we are basically set for our basic things. For different things, is 3 body problems allowed? Like, can you do 3 body problems? Okay, I don't think that was a very good way to explain, but I will try. I will try. I will make it so it defines orbits. Yes, it defines orbit. It defines the Kepler's law of uh, aerial velocity, which was and another thing that objects in ellipses, the orbits are in ellipses. It is so because you have like two bodies, and if there's a distance between them, if this body is like point here, this distance is actually the same as this distance, and which is the principle for an ellipse. So this thing will form an ellipse with this point and this. Oh, I formed it wrong. This point as the I formed it up wrong again. I don't know. I don't know. So an orbit is an ellipse with this, and what's the other focal point here? I don't know. Nah. I mean, you got the point of how it is an ellipse. So we will prove that, and we will prove the air velocity, if which it means that if an orbit is like this, an object is like this, it's going to go here and boom, boom, boom. It's since its angular momentum is conserved, it is now angular momentum is conserved, so it is now having less radius. So I don't know the exact formula. I forgot about it, but I don't think I should have forgotten about it, but it's inversely proportional to radius and velocity. So if this is constant, this means velocity is actually inversely proportional to radius. So this is wrong. This is this. So if radius decreases, velocity increases. I don't know if it's exponential or anything. I should not have enough said that. So with that said, we have 20 days. I don't want to fail my second project. So yep, and in project 3, I have concluded what I want to do in project 3. In project 3, first of all, I will order Arduinos, and second of all, I will use my first project, the MediaPipe project, to further improve of what I was trying to do. So I will try to do a lot of things with it. I do not have exactly what in mind, but I have a very basic. So let's say this is my room. So I will try to set up one or two cameras to for that to give me a position of where I am in respect to my hands or my body. My body is better. Uh, with my hands to give me a coordinates of where I am in the room. So let's say this point is 0, 0 and this point is 10. So this will tell me that I'm at 9 and this point is 0 and this point is 10. So 9, 9. I'm in this position. So it will basically track where I am in coordinates. So it's not GPS because it's global posting system. So and it's not accurate to say, but you get the point. I will try to simulate location tracking. And in project 3, I don't think that should have been the emphasis, because in project 3 we are okay, let me check what I wrote. I actually forgot what I wrote. Yep, I have also decided in project 3 that I will order flex sensors and use them as an input device. Okay, I have a roadmap of how I want to do that. So I have a better roadmap in day project 3 than project 2. I mean, they are not so expensive, right? Oh damn. One is 200 flex. sensors. I don't think I will make it like flex sensors, gloves. 5,000. Hmm. Flex sensors are kind of expensive. No, I'm taking that out of the project. Flex sensors are not very ideal right now, so no. Flex sensors are out of the list. I thought flex sensors were kind of cheap. That is why I've kept it. No, I don't. I can't afford that much right now. So flex sensors is out. I mean, it's not a very big thing. Let me just say. Let me just say what I was thinking. So to track, basically, it will. Uh, um. Oh fuck. If let's say this is my index finger, and it will track how many angles I moved, and it is going to translate that into x-axis. So this is going to be x. Similar for my middle finger, it will track how many angle I moved, and it will track into y-axis. So basically I have got the monitor's input in my index and middle finger, and similarly to that, if my pinky is up, it's left click and all that stuff. It's simple. So I would be using this kind of coordinate system to have an implemented coordinates. So that is what I was thinking, but I don't think it's really feasible right now. So let's say project 3 is going to be just going to be fun with Arduinos. uh, I will try to do a lot of project with Arduinos, like anything, not anything, like any kind of things that I like to think about is going to be great. I do not have the exact pinpoint idea what I want to do right now. Let's focus on project 2 right now. That is a lot of talk of project 3, and I have not even started project 2 properly. So with that said, this video is like finally over now. Shit, I should have said that. Okay, anyways, this is it for day 11 10. I will see you guys in day 11. Thank you for watching. Bye.